Hello everyone. This is the beautiful story. This is connected with a girl who was always facing the adversities. She completely got fed up with her life, and when she just understood that pain which she was bearing, it was unbearable. She went to her father and told, "Father, whenever I solve any problem, so why that is not finished? As I finish that one problem, another one approaches. If I finish that another one another approaches. So what to do?" She completely said this thing while being frustrated. So father smiled and took her to the kitchen. She told father, "Do you want me to cook?" Father said no. The father took three vessels, and he put 2 cups of water in each vessel and kept the vessel on the stove. And that water started boiling over there. What he did, he took the one egg, he put in one vessel. In another vessel, he put the one potato, and 2 spoons of tea leaves he put in last one vessel. And the girl became impatient. She asked, "What are you doing?" Father said, "Just wait for 15 minutes." Impatient girl kept waiting for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, father took out the egg from the uh, that vessel, and then he took out that potato from another vessel, and the tea leaf which became completely tea. So he sieved the tea into 1 cup, and then he asked his daughter, "What do you see?" Daughter said, "That potato, egg, and a cup of tea." Father again asked, "No, what I want you to see, you are not watching that. Again watch, what is there?" She couldn't answer. She couldn't understand even. She answered in same way which she told earlier to her father, that same I've been watching. Then father said, "No, you're not getting. Let me explain it to you. The egg was completely delicate. After being boiled, it has converted into hard position. It has come into the hard position. Though potato was hard and strong, it became weak. And the tea leaf, that something changed the water, and it has converted into a delicious tea. What an aroma of the tea! You can feel it. You can have a sip, you will enjoy that. It is completely scrumptious." Even the girl couldn't understand. Then father said that three things were put in different vessel, and they went through same circumstances, same positions where they were supposed to go, but three of them have responded in different way. Potato, which was hard and strong, it became weak, soft. Egg, which was delicate, it became hard. But tea leaf, it changed the color of the water. It changed the situation of the water, and that water has converted into a scrumptious tea. So in our life also we face lots of adversities. Depends on us, what do we want to be. If I'm a potato, so 100% if I go through any situations, I'm unable to bear it, so I become soft. If I'm already delicate, if I go through this problem, 100% I will become uh, just hard. But if I am a tea leaf, so believe in me, I can change the situation of the adversities. I can change that situation. So in our life we get lots of adversities. If you think the problems which are coming to you, so they are not coming to you, they are already there, you are going to them. If you avoid these problems, they will 100% become so much bigger, and too much bigger, it means they are going to disturb you. So I think if they become bigger, if they become biggest, so you are not gonna tolerate these problems, and problems are bound to come. sooner or later. It is already said. So why not to change the problem into opportunity? Why not to change these adversities into the response with the good reaction, and you can become a winner later on. So this is the story. Through that we learn, whenever any problem approaches, you just become a tea leaf, give your essence to that water and change the situation of the water, not yours. Thank you guys for listening to me.